It's in here.
Oh, duh.
Yeah, there you go.
Good?
Yeah. There you go.
Fuck shit out the way.
Yeah, get all that bullshit out of here.
We
Oh,
just
you got
now today, huh?
You got Tito a little.
Yeah.
There you go. Gotta help him out. There you
Today
go.
we finally cut the grass, so.
Finally, dude. Finally.
It took us a little bit of time. A couple people commented, cut the grass, you know.
Hey, we're on it.
Hey, we're on.
Hey.
Damn. Oh, hey. What? Yeah, I know.
What's up, bro? What's up, man? Good to see you.
What's up? What's up? Johnny Merrill. What's good, man? What's good, bro? What's good, man? What's up? Okay, and the G pulling up an 18.
Is this me?
Is this you?
Could you see me in this?
Hey, one of my homies gonna come, but he's not gonna be racing.
Oh, then tell him not to come. Wait, don't race.
Sir, and I ran less. I ran a scat pack and I used it. Yeah, pretty bad.
Really? That's good.
But how do you feel?
Oh, dude, just because it's a Mustang.
How does this make you feel? Yeah, bro, come on, like, dude, these are base model seats and they don't feel bad.
I know,
at all.
They don't feel bad.
Like, this interior is not as bad as I thought. I thought I'd hate it.
Yeah.
But
I like it.
like, turn it on. Like, how does it feel? That's stock exhaust.
So
You still got the welcome
You can rev it. It's got all like, all that shit.
Alright, I'm gonna flip on these. What's good? Hey, where's Blaz? Oh, no, I got a couple cars. We're about to roll out to a little meet and then go to Mexico. I ran this 18 last night and it was a pretty damn good run. Maybe tonight we can do it again. Oh, damn! Okay. think he's 85 and 2.
Yeah.
We ran last night. Yeah, very good. I did very good on the 50 rolls, but then on the 40 roll, you already know. But he said he got a better tune for tonight, so. We're here at the what do you say, pre-meet Mexico spot?
Just Mexico.
We're here at the Mexico spot. Just a couple cars. There's more like down there. There's some over here.
Pretty good setup.
We're here at this little pre-meet spot, but I have some for you guys to.
A little surprise.
A little surprise. A little surprise, right, Z?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Should I just flip the camera?
Just flip it, dude.
Just flip it?
Show. Hey.
Hey! Yo, guys, say what's up to my twin, man. I don't think I've seen on YouTube 2 yellow blazes together.
Looks good, dude.
It looks good, dude. Damn, man. I know, right? Mine looks so much more lower. It's okay, though.
Y'all got different headlights, too.
Yeah, we got different headlights.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever seen 2 yellows.
This is painted.
Some things are more important than
At least his fender and door are good.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, he don't have a passenger seat.
He doesn't have a passenger seat?
He gutted.
What?
Look at that.
Oh, you can't even see. Damn. We're here at the meetup spot. Oh man, it's gonna go down tonight, guys. Remember, this is all going to the second channel. None of this is going to this channel. Like they're having a little meeting right there. Damn, I still can't get over the fact there's 2 yellow blazes right there.
Taking every exit and every entrance ramp. Do not run him. He is taking every exit to look to see if there's cops down there. Okay? He's going out.
Which one do you guys pick? We got a Z01. Oh, it's gonna go down tonight, guys. Oh, okay. Okay. I like this. I really like this. Dang. Okay.
Boost it in the front. Let's go.
Alright, come on. Man's ass, man. Always playing with me. Alright guys, so again, I'm not filming this for this channel. All this Mexico action is gonna go towards the second channel. So, who knows? I might run the yellow blaze. We'll see.
What's under his?
Same thing as me.
Oh, shit.
Oh yeah, he wants to do this rerun too.
Yeah, you seen?
Yeah. Pulling in.
Hey, cop just pulled somebody over. He pulled a civilian over. He pulled a civilian over. Pass the truck. Pass the truck. Pass the truck. Let's go.
We definitely did a little run with the Blaze. Yo, the results are very interesting. Y'all need to go watch in the second channel. Go watch it right now, man. It's gummy lit.
Support you, babe. Don't worry.
That was a good run. Hey, hey. What? I had a little 50 shot. Nah, Joey. That was good shit though. Was pretty successful. I highly recommend you guys subscribe to the second channel because, oh man, Jordan, please don't move my faces. Y'all gotta get on that, man.
That was some good runs.
Dude, very good runs, man. So, what'd you think? That was fair.
What are you tuned by?
Lund.
Oh, same shit.
Yeah. So what exactly do you have done to this?
Header,
Headers?
mid-pipe,
Mid-pipe?
exhaust, and tune.
Exhaust and tune. No 85? None of that?
Oh, yeah.
And you're on your street tires, so good shit.
My car is getting faster by the day.
Stop, Johnny, man.
Gap it.
Stop.
Let me show you the videos. Gap it.
Hey, man.
I think I lost like to 2 people tonight.
Damn.
2 people.
Pretty good crowd, too.
I was
So.
racing like the same people and shit.
And that last run, I totally grand shifted into fourth. That's exactly how you got me. Like, in between my shift, you were already like, you're already good. We were a pretty good run. Make sure you watch it in the second channel. Let me show you some of the cars that were here tonight. Hey, what happened? I didn't find you.
What do you mean?
I didn't find you.
I was hitting out else.
Ah, okay, okay. Was a nice shove over there. Okay, that's nice. That was nice. Alright, man, we're out of here. I need to come back with no passengers. He's always riding with me. Hey, but he has no passengers at all. Yeah, y'all can't see that. Dang. There were still good runs though, it's just that last one.
Yeah.
I did take my time shifting into fourth. I granny shifted into fourth, and he did get me. But y'all need to watch the full video, man. We about to just dip, go home,
Call it a night.
call it a night.
We didn't go to jail, so
Yes.
we're just gonna.
Hey, tomorrow is Sunday, fun day,
Yeah.
Labor Day weekend.
Yeah, we're just gonna
No work on Monday, so.
enjoy ourselves.
All right, y'all. Good runs. Yellow Blaze. Peace out. All right. Fuck out of here.